I just got in my Ninja Blendboss. Literally, I don't think the Amazon truck left the neighborhood yet. So I wanted to show you guys what's inside, and we are going to actually make the little recipe that they give you together, and I can tell you honestly what I think of it. So it comes with the base, the blender bottle, and the cap. This cap is leak proof, so you'll be able to put this on, turn it upside down, nothing will come out. And then the blender base. The base here itself gives you the options of Blend IQ, Smoothie IQ, and Ice Crush IQ, and then pulsing. So there's a few different things that you can do with it, and I'm assuming that means it blends differently for each of these three functions. So let's give it a try. 1 cup of milk, a full banana broken out into quarters. I don't have agave nectar, but I have honey, so we are gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey, and then a cup of frozen strawberries. All in the cup. Now we are going to attach the blender base and hit Smoothie on the device. Okay, so hopefully you could see in the video, I did speed it up a little bit. It went through phases of like coming on, coming off. So it is basically smart enough to know when your smoothie is done. It took a little under a minute to do the entire thing. Now you're gonna unlock the base, turn the cup over, remove the blender bottom, and first test it out, of course, and then attach your leak-proof lid. I thought it would be helpful to show you guys the consistency of this smoothie is like perfection, okay? Can we just talk about how perfect that is? Just perfect. I'm gonna put it back in here and show you that it is leak proof. Okay, she's back in the cup, the lid is on, and look, totally leak proof. All you're gonna do to open it, it even kind of tells you, push here and the cap is going to push up and you can drink your drink or whatever you made. I love this thing. First time using it, obviously I did it with you guys. I think the smoothie came out absolutely perfect. And I love the fact that there's not a whole bunch of different things to clean and whatnot. You can use the same cup that you blended in and go. And I of course love the fact that it is a leak-proof cup. So far I would say I'm impressed, and I can't wait to try other recipes out with